Okay, still working on the gantry today. Spent most of the day working on this plate right here for the lead screw nut, and I think a lot of the slowness was probably caused by a lot of friends stopping over and talking about it and having to figure things out, and that may have something to do with it, but we're coming along, and I think by the end of the day tomorrow we'll have the bearing pockets done. We'll have the lead screw nut plate done, and the other bearing pocket, which will go over there, and that the blued portion there. But I think we're doing pretty good, and this is definitely going to be the hot rod. Not replacing the original, but definitely going to be phase 2, like it's called. So here it is, and over here to some of the machining area that we were using. You know, there's nothing wrong with having a good tool for the job. I should probably quit before I cut my finger or something. All right, that's all I got.